the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing the video about the Moto E5 Play on MetroPCS. So the Moto E5 Play is now here at MetroPCS. So it says exclusively available in Flash Gray at MetroPCS and T-Mobile. So yeah, the Moto E5 Play on MetroPCS is available in Flash Gray there. So it's basically a gray color, the E5. Looks nice, you know what I'm saying? This is a budget phone, so you do keep that in mind with the specs and stuff. So quick specs here: 5.2-inch HD display. It's 720p. It's 16:9 screen there, so no 18:9 here. You have an 8-megapixel rear-facing camera, 5-megapixel front-facing camera, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and 2 gigabytes of RAM there. So budget-esque specs there. So this is what the phone looks like, obviously. So you do have the front-facing camera right there, the camera flash, earpiece, your lock screen there. I like the clock there, your Motorola logo, which is nice. And let's go take this thing for a spin, shall we? On the right side, you do have your volume up and down buttons and your power on the right side of the phone. On the back of the Moto E5 Play is your camera and camera flash and your Motorola logo. It's hard to see in there, but it is there right there on the back. It's no fingerprint. It's just flush with the design there. And on the I think the battery is removable, so that's a win. So your SD card and SIM card are in the back of the phone where the battery is, so the battery is removable, so that's a win. The Moto E5 Play is free with eligible port-in, 2 unlimited LTE data plan. And so if you guys want to get this phone for it's free, you guys must port in from MetroPCS. The retail price of the Moto E5 Play is $139. So this is the E5 Play, obviously. So yeah, it says spending less doesn't mean sacrificing the things you love. Just look at Moto E5 Play, exclusively available in Flash Gray at MetroPCS and T-Mobile. It comes with an advanced 8-megapixel autofocus camera, so you can say goodbye to blurry photos. Do up to 24 hours on a single charge. Keep your phone protected with a water-repellent coating. Make room for more photos, songs, and videos with expandable storage. And get all the speed you need with a quad-core processor. Moto E5 Play, everyday extraordinary, alright? So quick specs on the phone, as you guys know what the specs are: 8-megapixel autofocus camera with LED flash, plus 5-megapixel front-facing camera with LED flash as well. All-day battery, which is about 2800 milliamps, I believe. 5.2-inch HD display, it's 720p, it's 16:9 screen. Quad-core processor. Process, I believe, is Snapdragon 427, I believe, in here. 16 gigabytes of RAM, 2 gigabytes of RAM, and up to 128 gigabytes of microSD card expansion. So that is a win. If you guys want to find a store, you guys can do that. Pricing details: full retail price of the E5 Play, $139. All in-store rebates if you switch, $139. So if you guys, put your number of MetroPCS and get an unlimited data plan, y'all guys can get this phone for free. Y'all guys can also mail on the phone and all that. Y'all guys also get mailing the rebates and all that, or whatever. And of course, it has 30-day money-back guarantee and free shipping. No credit text, of course, says this phone can be yours free when you switch. So if you guys want to get the Moto E5 Play for free at MetroPCS, you guys switch to MetroPCS. Put your number over MetroPCS. Sales taxes and activation fees not included. Unlimited LTE rate plan required, obviously. So the $50 or $60 plan is required to get this phone for free. If you put your number over MetroPCS, the full retail price of this phone is $139. Alright. So that's what the phone looks like there. It has a 5.2-inch HD display. Like I said, it includes a water repellent design. The phone is not waterproof. Okay, it is not waterproof. So don't submerge your Moto E5 Play in water, because it will not survive. Probably not. You know, if you guys get a couple drops of water on the screen, that's fine, but it's not waterproof, guys. Alright, so keep that in mind. You have an 8-megapixel rear camera. You have 8-megapixel rear camera, advanced autofocus capabilities, 2800 milliamp battery. All day battery gives up to 24 hours on one charge. 16 gigabytes of RAM, get up to 120 gigabytes of expandable storage. Say goodbye to blurry photos. Get your best shot every time with the Moto E5 Play. Its 8-megapixel rear camera and autofocus technology never missed a thing indoors or out with auto low light enhancements. Put yourself in the spotlight with the 5-megapixel front-facing camera with its LED flash. Alright? A phone that goes all day, just like you. Go a full day on a single charge. Don't slow down searching for a power outlet. Keep doing all the things you love with the Moto E5 Play and its 2800 milliamp battery. Water repellent, so you don't have to sweat getting wet. Alright? It says protect your new Moto E5 Play from spills and splashes. The water repellent design safeguards your phone both inside and out. So yeah, it's not waterproof, guys. So don't submerge your phone in water. Just don't do it. Check out some specifications of the phone. As you guys know what the specs on this phone are, obviously. Internal memory 16 gigabytes RAM. You get about 8.64 gigabytes available to you, but you do have expandable memory up to 120 gigs. Screen display, like I said, 5.2 inches, 720p HD. It is an LCD display. It's 16:9 ratio. 8-megapixel autofocus camera with LED flash. 5-megapixel front-facing camera with LED flash. That's a win. It is mobile hotspot capable, of course. Talk time 20 hours and with 8.8 Oreo, 1.4 GHz quad-core processor, Snapdragon 427, I believe that is, if I'm correct. The Moto E5 Play weighs 5.29 ounces. Here are some cases on the Moto E5 Play. You guys got the OtterBox prefix case and all that. If you guys want to get accessories for the Moto E5 Play, go to Amazon and get this for cheaper. So yeah, man, the Moto E5 Play is now here at MetroPCS, available in this exclusive flash gray color at MetroPCS and T-Mobile. The Moto E5 Play can be yours for free if you guys switch to MetroPCS by porting your number over to MetroPCS and getting an unlimited plan, like $50 or $60 plan at MetroPCS. If you switch your number over, y'all guys can get this phone for free. The full retail price of the Moto E5 Play is $139. The specs on here, they're okay. This is a budget phone, so you're not gonna get like all the bells and whistles on this phone. The phone does look, you know, it does look alright. You know what I'm saying? It does have removable battery. That's a win. Expandable storage, win. LTE, win. Oreo, win. Water repellent coating, that's a win. It's not waterproof, guys, so don't submerge your phone in water because it will not survive. So do keep that in mind. So yeah, that's what the phone looks like. Obviously, it does have flashes on both front and rear cameras. That's a plus. So yeah, there it is, guys. Moto E5 Play at MetroPCS now available. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I can see you guys in the next one. Peace out.